Hi! Today I will show you how to remove stains from your furniture, especially white furniture. Check it out! Okay, now you see here on my IKEA furniture the stains, the brown stains I couldn't take out with anything. I tried with a damp cloth, it wasn't working. Then I tried with alcohol, as you see here, normal alcohol. And yeah, I tried to remove the stains also with alcohol. I rub it on these stains, but it was like not working. Then it occurred to me that I could use baking soda to remove the stains. Here in Germany it calls Kaisernator. Then what you just have to do is just to put a little bit of baking soda on your stains, just like this, and then a little bit of here because I got another stain here. And then what I did, it was to take a lemon, because the lemon makes a reaction with the baking soda. So you just have to squeeze a little bit your lemon on this baking soda, a little bit, and then let the lemon and the baking soda take effect for 5 until 10 minutes, and then remove with a damp cloth. When you are removing this baking soda with the lemon, it's important that you scrub a little bit. You have to scrub the stains so that you can remove the stains out of your furniture. So now you can see that my furniture, my white furniture, is free of stains. It works! Yoo-hoo! Okay, that was all for today. I hope you liked the video and it was useful to you. And please subscribe to my channel. I always upload videos and tips for you. Yeah, that was everything. And I also like my video if you like it. And yeah, if you have some questions and some ideas for the next video, so you can also comment. I will be happy to read about it. And yeah, that was all. Bye bye.